Let's see. Do we have everything here? Is it ready? It is. All right. Hello. Can you? Oh, I think I got everything ready. I hope I got everything ready. I know I got everything ready. All right. Hello. We're back with another stream. Let me put this on the side here. With another short stream today, probably. I hope so. And I hope so. I mean, in the sense that I get to go in bed in time, but probably we are not gonna go in bed in time. No. Actually, I want to fix one small problem with name tags. Right now, I just realized when I was. I'm trying to improve the planet generation speed also, but it's not going that good. Well, I got a slight improvement on it, but not that much. I'm looking into how to quad trees, and also looking a bit to dual contouring. I don't think it will help with the speed, but it will help with how it looks. Yeah. But yeah, what I wanted to do was, we don't really need to touch the server yet, but we do want to touch the client, I believe. Because I want to change that, let's see, if Zig will run, and it runs. Yes, it does. Good. That's always scary. Okay. Right, I forgot. I want that one. Okay. So it's a developer planet. It's a bit smaller. And we'll kill off the disable spawning. And then what we can do now is that you guys see we have the name tag for the player itself. I think I would like to disable that real quick. So we're gonna go into systems, add, and then it's game, and add name tags here. Then if it's player kind, then we can, if it's not player kind, or if entity.id is equal to info world player ID. That should be pretty much it. There. Now we just need to check that it actually, I think it does. Like, I don't think we'll run and check it, but we will do another run and see what it's. Oh, that's the server. What did the server? Let's see. Oh, unreachable. Oh, it went through. Oh shit. Yeah, that's actually true. I do. Oh shit. Oh, well, that's only if you join with the same Steam user. That's why is it doing server again? So it's fine. It's fine. It's just funny. So if I do multiplayer, I host with this one, and a multiplayer here on this one, and we're gonna want to do a dev planet. It should spawn a dev planet on both of these. It seems like it just crashes. I swear to God, it's just some damn cache again. We do this. Let's see. No. RF. .zig cache. .zig client. And then if I do now, Zig will run. Hello, Penguin Operator. It's just gonna LLL, VM, and C++ libraries taking up. There, boom. And then if I host, it should be fine this time. No, it still crashes. Is it because the server executable? Let me just run that zig build. Click on that one. Ah. Yeah, okay, good. But again, developer planet. Do I have it? It should do a developer planet there as well. No, yeah, it does. Good. Hello, Doomwortel. What is it? LDev. Oh my god, my glasses. I couldn't see shit. And then we go multiplayer, and I should be able to join this one. Yes, so now you don't see your own name tag anymore, but you do see other players' name tags. I mean, I could put a build that could do it in the root. That probably would be smarter. But you know, wait, what the fuck? It's just okay. Did I? But how is it still running the server? It must be assuming that I'm still hosting. Or have you added something with you killed me? What? I killed nobody. Why is the ping so damn high? On a slight movement, it actually goes pretty crazy. It's crazy. What packets am I sending right now? Because I'm not receiving any. I shouldn't be receiving anything crazy right now. That's interesting. Let me do this. If I go to main menu, but the.
All right, I'm ready to play Gargantic Phone.
Gargantic? No, we're not doing Gargantic.
What? Why not?
No.
So I woke up and I got like a bunch of spam messages, notifications.
We were planning for
saying...
it a few hours back, but
just what I thought.
That's good. That's good.
But you can't conceptualize like an enemy or two.
No, I was thinking it would be a fun thing to do, but why can I not join with a It's just rejecting the connection. It's a normal executable host. Why? Since when did that happen? Anyways, what I wanted to see was the not single player. I wanted to see the here. Yeah, this one. Let's see, it's a lot of, but actually it's this. No, it's more or less the client actually I'm more interested in, because the server will just, I want to see what are the packets the client is right now receiving, because it feels like it's getting a lot, but I don't see a lot. Acknowledge here. The log debug packet, and then we'll just say what packet it is. So if I go here now and then I do a refresh, it shouldn't show anything, and then put developer planet on. Did it even hot reload? No, that's the server again.
Can't wait to play Gargantic Phone that Lucas promised.
I didn't promise it. I said in an hour or then. Well, you weren't there, but spoke with the other. If not enough people join, we'll do it some other time.
Yeah, maybe at not like 5 o'clock in the morning, but who am I to say?
Also, please fix bullets not hitting enemies when you stand close to them. That sucks so much. I think I did it in the latest. Tosa Gartic Phone. Yeah, we were thinking of doing it, but update event. What am I receiving? It's an update event. Let me take a look at that. Event packet. And nothing hot reloads anymore, does it? It does say update event, but I don't see shit. Oh, again, it's doing it in the server. Why? Also, please fix bullets not hitting enemies when you stand brother. Oh, it's charging the teleporter somehow. That's funny, because I shouldn't even be able to charge the teleporter, right?
D-Demon 69,420 followed your channel.
Damon, thank you for the follow. Long time coming.
Lizard.
But why am I sending the teleporter charged every time? That's funny. Should probably not do that. Gameplay.
Lizard.
Fake fan for real.
I needed points so I could spend the lizard. I was out. You get 300 free points for following.
Oh my god. Let's see, teleporter charged. I will go in here and see that. I will take teleporter charge. So const old teleporter charge is equal to teleporter dot charge, and then if all teleporter charge is not equal to teleporter dot charge, then we'll do this. I don't know, I'd still like to put this extra angle brackets, especially when it's a long one of these. But that should now, yeah, now we don't get that because the teleporter doesn't change. So now we don't receive that. It's a useless packet to send. Yeah, update motions makes sense. Because now I'm actually moving around. But it's crazy that it, like, I get such a high ping sometimes, and it's not very stable. Am I sending them too frequently? What's going on? Green noise instead of white noise. What? Lizard? Oh my god. But yeah, why is it doing that? Let me see if I do multiplayer and I join. Am I even joining? This is some weird Steam stuff going on over right now. I don't think I'm connecting, guys. No, I'm not connecting. Why not? I must have done something else wrong, but it's very weird. I mean, it makes sense kind of like Steam-wise that you shouldn't be able to connect with your own account, but at the same time it's weird. Well, it's okay. At least I already got proof that you don't see your own name, so it's good enough. It's good enough. We'll take that. And I will do what's that? Git commit remove own name tag plus access teleporter charge packet. Which and now it's kind of like death animations would be pretty cool. I think one simple thing that we is the player smaller than it used to be. I swear it is. Is it? Isn't it? I swear to God. I don't know if it is. But yeah, it should be that. Yeah, I added it so that it fixes that if you shoot right in front of an enemy, they do get the bullet on them. It doesn't spawn it too far off because I also got pissed on it. I mean, I don't know, the ping seems to be alright, even though there's a lot of bullets and shit going on, but as soon as I have a second player, it went bad. I don't know what to tell you guys. It was not good. Which is crazy. But yeah, let's do the death animations. For the enemies. Bye! Dune Burtle went bye-bye. What should we do? Do you, Damon, do you have death animation? Do you have death animations already for those things, or should I make using a Mixamo?
Well, the humanoids, yeah, but for the boss, I could probably cook something up real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Right. I will quickly.
Can't wait to get my first paycheck though, man. Woo!
Yeah. coming anytime soon. Let's see, render. I will add
bloop.
But I need to. Do I have them exported already as FBX files? I can't remember. Let's see. Open. The enemy to Bloid, and then I just have to Bloid. Okay, open that.
Yo, did you say you put normals in your render engine yet, or what? Like, what do you
got?
Yeah,
I do have normals.
Reflection or roughness?
No, I don't have physics-based rendering.
The normals work though.
Yeah, normals do work. Because those are just vertex attributes, basically. If you want the physics-based rendering, those are materials, kind of. So they're a bit different. It's kind of like they're like loading a texture, and you do different stuff with it, which I haven't really read in that much. But I don't think it's too complicated. I just don't yet see why I would need it for the simplicity that I want. Let's see, I'm gonna log into Mixamo real quick, and then we will get those death animations as soon as it does the thing. Let's see, where did we leave off last time? It was Ben Bozo. We need a death animation for Ben Bozo anyway, so I guess we could actually start with the player death. right? What do you guys think? Clear that first. That animation chest. Well, that one is kind of like done. Let's do player that. It's kind of funny. Yo, long time no see. What's up, Geo guys? How have you been? I've been good, great. How have you been? Tell me. What have you been up to? Or you guys? Let's see that. What do we do for Ben? Do we do this? We should do ragdolls, right? We should do ragdolls. I kind of like this one. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see, download. And we're gonna put it in scrap enemies animation dump. No, wait, it's actually just in player, my bad. There. And then we can go to Blender and we can open it up. Let's see, where is it? There, clients, no, scrap directory, players, animations. And let's also open up the player from here. Don't save. Captain, I called it, wait, is this the, oh no, it's the wrong one. Uh-oh. Where did I store the actual Benbozo? Oh no, where did I store Benbozo? No. Well, I guess if I load the GLB file, will that be fine? I think it might be in home, YouTube, characters. It's this one, 100% about it, sure about it. It's, I guess, but it's not it. Ooh, okay. I got this now. It is this one. Yeah, I knew it. I'm so fucking good. Okay, we're gonna save this one. Save as. We're gonna put it with all of the other ones. Or in the right spot, because now this was bad. It was really bad. Wait, where is Splinter? There. Player. And then we save Benbozo here. And we save it there. Boom. Okay, wait. I have been great as well. Started working on a compiler for a custom simple and easy AOT programming language that uses memory safety using automatic reference counting, so no garbage collector, no borrow checker. Goal of it being a system language without being intimidating for beginners into systems. Oh, okay. I read about, well, I guess it wasn't the same goal, but it was supposed to give you low-level access with a simple syntax. Kind of. It was kind of Python-like, but still it was also low-level at the same time. I don't, was it Vix or what was it called? It was some random dude in the Zig server who I just found him. He had it open, or like a link to it. I just checked it out real quick, but I haven't done my own programming language, so I don't know what to say. We'll talk about much about it, to be honest. I don't know, like, how is it to make your own, or actually, you're doing like your own compiler and language, or let's see if I remember how to do this. Oops. Okay. So we'll load this in, import, like so, and then we can. Okay, what the fuck did I just do? Let's go to. I am in object mode. Why can I not just do that then? Yeah, that's great. Anyways, we can delete it. And now I should be able to. Let's see. Where is it? Dope sheet. Wasn't action editor dope sheet. Dope sheet. Ah, but I need to select something. There. Yes, and then I want to select this one. Not quite. Oops, that's not what I meant. Yeah, this is what I meant. Goal of it being Nim. Ah, I've heard about Nim. I think there is one guy in the Discord who is a big fan of Nim. Actually, compiles to C, a compiler for my own language. Okay, okay. It actually compiles to C. Like your own language compiles to C, or Nim compiles to C. I haven't used Nim myself, but there, so we got a det like so, and then we'll export that GLTF, and we'll put it in client assets objects, and here we got Venbo, so override it. Now we can go into oh no. Oh no. That's great. That shouldn't. I guess it can happen. Yeah, because of the indexing. Oh shit. It's okay. Now on the second load we will be fine, but that was funny. We are gonna add a new field into the actually will be shared. Can we do a, we'll do this, we'll go in here, this one, and we'll go that dot cd share, and we'll open it in here, and then we'll go here, go to entity, and then in here we'll add a new field for the here model clip names. So paste it, and then we'll say that, and does things need a that? I will put it. Doesn't need it. You can have walk. Sure, we'll make it an optional. Yeah, whatever. And then we go for the player. And in here, we'll just add a that is equal to that. That is the string name. And now that shouldn't really Oopsie daisy. Let's run this. Why did the server? Clip names. Okay, good. We got problems. Nim compiles to see my language compiled to QBE intermediate representation, which is a 10,000 lines of code, intermediate code to assembly backend. I have done a ton of custom things in fork of QBE that I made and using that under the hood. What is QBE? I'm missing that tabloid. We didn't give it a default value. Do I actually want to do it as a default value? I mean, it's kind of like idle anyways, also that. Let's see. Enemy models. They don't have an idle, do they? I'm pretty sure they don't. I just put idle to be. Oh, wait, no, they do have idle. What? What does Lord do? Idle is idle and walking is spawning. Okay. Well, maybe not then. We will not do it. We will do it like this. And then we'll just add it to all of them. Something funny. That works too. For the ones that I care about, which are these ones. So I'm gonna add, just make it a bit more readable for these things because it's a bit annoying that I can't see. Okay, good. So then we'll add here the death. We'll just let it be idle for these ones for now. That's fine. That. And death for this one as well. Oh, that's a capital I. Okay, good. So, and then what we want to do is in. How long is the death animation, anyways? It seems to be pretty long, like at least it's 110 frames. I don't know, is that like, if you divide it, is it like 4 seconds? You can probably do 5. I have no idea how to measure that yet. I mean, I could probably figure out if the clip is also reaches end if you play death animation. You could do that instead, that would probably be better. We'll see. I will first do this the normal way that I have used to do it, and then we'll, because I haven't thought about this before, but I do know I could do this with the, it should be a death animation, I call it. Pretty sure I do. With box, yeah, death duration. So I want to do that also for the player. Do I want to? No, I don't care about the enemies, but the player I do care about. And we'll let it be 5. So this will now get in here with the death animation. Now it won't really do anything immediate. Hello, Roni Ballerino. Roni Ballerino. Hello. How are you, Clorimio? Now also, you kind of need to do a death for the player now, do we? Oh shit, let me do the planet so it's just a bit faster. And then do that, and then I will go in here and we'll do player controller. That's not how you spell player. There. I'm good, just lurking at some cracked dev writing a game in Zig. Nice. Thanks. I will do that if you press F6. Yeah. Then I will do info world QD spawn for player ID. So you will kill yourself with if you press the F6 just to see if I can get because I think this will just now what it would do is just what the fuck. Yeah, press one of whatever. It server real quick and I see. I think I need to run --watch because I don't know if it does this by whatever. So now if I go here and I press F6, yep, the player died, but they kind of died too quickly. That was like that. I would have assumed that they would have stayed a little bit longer, but okay. Was it had F5 for new stage? Oh wait, it doesn't register new input. Oh no, I cannot. Oh no. I should probably do it even if they're. Yeah, but that's because they cannot be found. Well, yeah. Oh shit. I should do a button here now. That doesn't really help. No. Yeah, because there is no player ID to get for this player. The player item is gone. Oh boy. Oh, the player should actually be there, but it's removed from player item. Maybe I should just check if it's alive and not remove it from the player item when a player dies. So then I can still get their inputs. Yeah, I think that's probably better. Oh shit, yeah, let's do that instead. Let's go check out the world. So a flush kind and the DID. And then here, if it's found, then it swaps remove it from here, from players. Don't I keep, but then it also should. I still remove from there either way. Maybe I need to rethink this a little bit. No, wait, here. So wait, do I have two player scale player items swap remove, and then if kind was player despawn not remove death, and then else. Yeah, okay, so I do not do this. It's kind of dumb that I do this in here. What if how? And I should really think about a better design about that. But at least I think is dead should be the only flag I should check. I shouldn't remove it from the list of players, I think. I should just check if it's dead. That's all I should do, really, if you think about it. Player still connected. Based on reason, I should just care about removing them completely. Yeah, and then I care about doing this if this actually happens in here. Yes, this is the real place to do this. Okay, now that's better, I would argue. I still just need to disconnect and reconnect because that one will not work. Okay, so stop the spawning, and if I do this. And then I start a new stage. Yes, it works. Great. That was that wasn't funny.
Yo, what's up?
Oh Jesus Christ! Wait.
Wait.
It's so freaking loud. Damon was so quiet, so I took up the volume like crazy, and now you just join up, blast my eardrums. Like fuck, dude.
Damn, my bad.
Yeah. All right. So now if I just want to see it also I don't fuck anything up with the items because I shouldn't. So if I now kill myself and then I Start a new stage. Yeah, I can't. I
Kill
have that.
myself.
Yeah, I'm adding death
Oh.
animation to the player. Clearly, you can see the beautiful death animation going on. No, but for real, we're gonna do that now. I just needed to add. I could also probably remove that because that's a bit. It's often that I do this check, so I'm gonna keep it like that so I can just uncomment it to get it back. But yeah, it should. I don't know why it doesn't hot reload when I do that. I always have to do a I do have build on save. I did it in the server again, but somehow it doesn't recognize it. Can't wait to get rid of LLVMs with a bit faster. I would also would like to get rid of my C++ libraries that I use because they are also slowing down the compilation like crazy. It's always the VMA taking like crazy amount of time, but it's so useful. Maybe I should just look into getting rid of it. Maybe I should just get rid of it. Yeah, but we're gonna look into the animation system now. Over here. And what we're gonna look into here is that it's going in here. And then we would see that there is actually like an animation, but this is kind of weird because I do have like manual animation where I just change the transform or whatnot to make it look like you kind of animate like the items here, like the chest. It scales out and then the items scale in. But for the death animation, I would actually like to play it over here. But then I also need to make sure. So now I'm actually getting to combine these two that they work in the right way. Let me see. Flush, spawn, and then kind, pending player. Where do I have the here? Despawn, because this one should make sure that the despawn index ID, get pointer, that duration. So you should see that there is this thing. Yeah, but why am I instantly? The player should get also that animation here. Pending these.
Alrighty.
Tell me.
I just looked for apartments.
Apartments.
So I can, yeah, where I can go in summer vacation. I'm going skiing.
You're going skiing. Sure.
Yeah, in the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. It's like a jump park with airbags, like no snow. I'm trying to learn some fire flips.
That's fire. Or called, I guess. Wait, QBE is a compiler backend that aims to provide 7% of the performance of industrial optimization compilers in 10% of the code. Huh. Wait, so you write like 10% of the code, you have so much abstraction, you get 7% of the speed or performance of industrial optimized compilers. Welcome, Nadish Bars Jasrotia to the stream, by the way. Thank you for clarifying that. I was like, well, what is that still? But yeah, okay, cool. Wait, Okay, my Discord is still live. I thought something broke or something, brother. It froze there for a moment. Okay, but I don't understand still. The player was still quite immediate there, the death, even though it should have the death duration there set to 5. Oh, wait, but no. If I receive a debt for the player, this is the only place I handle that. It shouldn't be anywhere else. Well, I guess it could be, but that shouldn't be possible. Handle command, despawn entity. It just puts it there and then I handle it in here. Just call me Geo, guys. Alt, and thanks for pronouncing my surname almost correctly. Thank you. Yes, I will call you that. No worries. I'm really trying here, bro. I'm really trying. But yeah, it shouldn't. I don't know. I don't get it. Why am I getting a when I do? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So now it was delayed. Wait, let me new stage. Wrong button. I should probably have some legend so I could see. Let's stop all the spawning, and if I press F6, yeah, so now I cannot move. I'm pressing forward, but nothing is happening because I'm actually dead. And 5 seconds later, the thing happens. So it is working, basically.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. All right. So that means that we should be able to use that for the actual there's two ways we could actually do this. And that means that it kind of needs to be an optional. Wait. Oh my god, we could actually. Okay, let's do it dumb first. I like doing it the dumb way first and then making it the smart way. We'll go in here. This one will probably require. So we'll go here where we say go to that thing, and then we'll make this optional. Then I would have to check, because I could do is that I could check when they receive the death, do they have a animation model clip name? So if they do have it, and do they have the death, then let's play the death for the duration of the death, and if not, then we'll just, well, yeah, not do it. Well, let's make this an optional first. Kind of weird, because can I access inside of world? Yeah, I can. I can check the spec. Yeah, I could do that. So we can also do so, but we only want to do it the first time that we do this, because otherwise I will be playing that all the time. But I can just say play clip. QBV is not an abstraction layer, it's just a very small compiler backend that's very fast, because in compilers most optimizations come from 10% of the code and the final 30% from the 90% code. From 10% of the code and the final. What do you mean by that? It's very small compiler backend, very fast, because in compilers most optimizations come from 10% of the code and then final 30% comes from 9. Okay, so you mean like 70%? Wait, what? 70% of the optimizations come from 10% of the code, and 30% comes from, wait, what the from 90%. Is that what you mean? I'm a bit confused trying to explain it back now. What do we have access to in here? We do have animations, but we do also have access to the. Wait, I wanna find a play overlay. No, play clip instance index. Actually, just call it once. That's interesting. I don't remember doing I remember having it set in another place also, but apparently not. Wait. Event and perceive here. Attack event. Oh, call it attack events. But now this would be a slightly different thing because it's could it maybe combine this? Because it's in the world here. I checked that world events item, attack event. But it's also just an overlay which I would like to override in here. Okay, but the first thing we could actually just do is this. I think that's more fun as well. Layer. And then this. Just because it's also a bit funny, isn't it? And it will pretty much be... We'll take this death animation. Should also do the spawn animation similar kind of way, like, but so we'll take transform death animation. Yeah, you can do that. So now we should scale out kind of. Yeah. Oh, I didn't do dev mode. Damn. Okay, so if I now do this, yeah, we're and then that's a funny death animation. Okay. Okay, and then what we can do in here now is basically I would like to apply the same logic, but I guess it wouldn't be. Oh god, how would this be a smart way of doing it? Because it's kind of like, would it both be spawn and death would be something you would play from here rather than, I don't know, I would like to put it in this system. But it's like, it's so specific. Way. But I could also make it, wait, overlay animation sample. Looking, do I do the
I got it working. Let's go.
So I just need to get the index clip what I would like to play and then just call it as a function on this thing, and I think that should be pretty much fine as well. I think I could do that instead. So just update animation and then, but what would be, yeah, no, that should be fine. So yeah, I think that will be fine. We'll take it from, this is the part that we want, right? Fuck. I will create a function to, I don't know, cannot be called play clip because then I will have play clip in two places. Play animation. But I got the clip index. I have to think about it. Play animation. Void. Do we have any tries in here? No, we do not. Oh wait, this is the one I looked in the wrong one, brother. That doesn't look like it. Oh shit, did I take something that I should not have taken with me? I hate when I do that. So we want the clip index. The clip index size. Then we want the instance. We can actually do this one already. Bam, bam. What the hell? That's not what I copied. Whatever. Play animation. Clip index. And then we want to take the instance as well. Which is just skeleton instance, right? Skeleton instance, yeah. Instance. Point to the skeleton instance. And then we do need the info that I will put. Front. Pointer const info. And the model. Do I need it anywhere before? Could I just... Okay, it is used before. Okay. I will also take the model. But that means... Oh shit. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Model. It's pointed to model. And what else? What else? The entity. Let's get the entity. So wait, we give the info. Let's give the entity first. Maybe I could get this information after. And we'll see. Entity. And that will play the same rules. Build. So first of all info, then the entity, then was the clip index. Does that make sense? Instance. We could get it again there, but let's do this now. This, and that should be the same thing. Well, still a problem somewhere with the expected view. Wait, what? Expected eye size found view size. Did I put a use eye size there? No, wait, I did. Now it should be the same. 100%. Alright, good. So now with that, I should be able to, if it's the player, I would like to get the... I got the entity, I got the info, I just need the clip instant, I need this, basically. Which I could get, because it's the same way I do it over here, but I wonder... Already do this, so why not just put them in the same loop? And then I can see if it's... It always depends on if they are doing their death animation. Yes, if they are doing a death animation, I would like to play it. But it also depends on what kind of thing. Shit, but that's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. So we'll get all of these things that we want, but not all of the things has a model clip. Fuck. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Update world items attack. Clear routine. Item values. I wonder, because I would have to do it before, so I can perform these ones that don't have an animation, like an actual skinned mesh for it. But then I need those the other way around. Okay, you know what? I will do it the dumb way again. I will do it the dumb way so it works, and then we'll make it the good way. So we'll actually just take this, if it's the play, because it's the only case where I want to try if I can get it to work, and I like doing it like that. Boom. We'll do this, and then now we got that thing. And then we'll do, if we have time for that animation, we will be playing that animation.
Okay, there you go. All yours.
You did it.
I didn't put too much effort into it, but it's
It's good
it's
enough.
okay.
It's all I said.
Yeah. He does a little flippy flappy floopy floop, and then
Flippity floppity floopity floop. No way, bro. Okay, so we'll get the entity, we get this thing, a model, and then, well, that should never happen. And then we do not care about the state. Oh shit, we do care about the state. I do not have a dead state. Enum, with state. What the fuck, where did I go? What the hell? Can I not jump to the right spot? Just have to, it's associated with this thing. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Oh god.
Oh yeah, that's cooked then.
That is cooked, bro. I have to. I shouldn't. Oh god, no. Oh no. Oh god, no. That's cooked. That's cooked. Yeah. So I mean, I do use the state to know. Oh, that's actually kind of. It's actually pretty good because then I don't need the. Oh my god. But it's kind of like a dying state. It's not a dead state. Ooh, that's a good problem to have.
You're on
Think
the
about
verge of death.
What?
On the
I-
verge of death.
Hello, Challenger. Challenger explosions. Yeah, I was about to misread that as well. We could put the. It's. I guess we could use death, and then we could get rid of the bit flag as well for that. What's up? What's up? All good. All good. How about you? How are you? We'll put that in here, but then now I have it in two places, which is kind of funny, in that sense, because I'm thinking I need to match that with the not the model. Why does the model have? No, I guess it makes sense, kind of, but I just realized that it's not that good. If I go into here, because what I would like to do is actually to use, and it would be state, but do you always have an animation for a state? Well, that's why I make them optionals, right? So then it kind of would make sense that you would have a, for every state you would have an associated string. Yes. I was trying to make a nice little video, but I got bored and came over here. Ah, how nice to have you here still. That's pretty cool. I should probably merge these.
oh, my bad.
What?
All right,
Yeah, you back.
yakking in the mic.
Ah. To do merge with model clip state, basically. I think I need to do that. But we're just gonna accept the workaround for now with entity state. That's not how we spell state. Are you creating a game? Yes, I'm creating a game. It's this one right here. I'm working on the death animation right now for the player. But we need to add, I guess, in here
Lizard, lizard, lizard.
for it to work.
Lizard, 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 lizard,
That-
lizard, lizard.
Who's spamming lizard right now? You crazy son of a gun.
Son of the gun.
Yes. I watched American Dad and they said it in the episode that I watched, so I was like, I need to use that. And I will put that there, like so. That's really convenient. So clips to get that, and then it will play that one. And yeah, you can see that it's missing that could be quite automatic. That is equal to, why do I have, well, I guess you try to get, yeah, okay, I can see that, I can see that. It's okay. That index. That sounds pretty brutal. We'll just say that index. It'll be fine for now. It's fine for now. But yeah, I can see that it's kind of bad. And that one is expected. Right. If there is a... Oh no, that's also so dumb. Oh god. Well, I guess it makes sense, but it's dumb. But I don't know how else. If I allow something to be optional, I guess I would have to allow it to be that, right? That. And then else we'll just, yeah, we'll let it be walk. That's okay. Okay. So then we can go back to animations. We should be able to do that, and we should be able to play it. And that play should take care of it from there. Let's see what actually happens. I forgot to do a dev planet. I should have it as the default. It's more annoying the other way around. And if I now press F6, well, it kind of worked. It just didn't loop the clip. What? What? Okay, I mean, it took the pose. It took the initial stance. Ah, okay. We should be advancing it all the time. Oh, wait. Right. Shit. If clip land that, or then we don't want to play any other animation really. This one is kind of like spawning or that, but right now it's only meant for that. So we're just gonna say if entity. Well, we do not really have a dead state here, do we? Oh shit. Oh shit. Actually, I don't even need it. I don't need it. Oh my god. What I could do is just check here that state. I could do this entity animation state. And this one is menu walk. If the but that's that would now have a multi-purpose, which I probably don't want. It's actually just a forceful state that I use for doing the main menu, but I could actually change it and make it an override kind of state that it always takes. That could work, and then it would be like a hard override animation state that it always just plays no matter what something else would tell. I don't know if that's a good idea, but it's an idea that I could write on until it proves to be bad. And then I wouldn't even need this then. It could just work. It just could work. So yeah. So I wouldn't do this. I would just go to my, let's say, where is world? Well, do I want to do it in world? I can do it in world. Yeah. I mean, then any fucking Christ, any entity. Jesus. When we get in here, despawn index, pending despawn, we get the ID, we get the entity, and then it doesn't really matter that much. We do need to get the entity. So if we can get it, I can say entity that animation state is equal to death. And then it doesn't really matter which one gets it, it should just work anyways. I think. If I got this wrong button. Okay, so we stop spawning. And if I now press... Yay! We got death animation! Woo! And we loop
Let's
it a few
go.
times. Oh my god. And it should still, if I start a new stage, if I open a chest here, yeah, these things works normally. And enemies should also... but they don't have a death cooldown. But we should change it so instead of getting the... why do you have so many rockets? How do you get so many rockets? Oh, wait. What? I'm getting a lot of loot right now. That's alright. I'm getting every item right now for a kill. I think I have something. Have I stored all of the chests? Do I not kill all of the chests on when I kill the start the stage? They should automatically remove everything. Whoa. I got 3 there. Yeah, I got 3 amounts of the same thingy. Interesting. And it's not a client-side bug, it's actually from the server. I did change stuff in the world. Let's see, what did I change? But I only even changed how I moved. I moved this here. That shouldn't have anything to do with. That's just on player death. I'm not dying right now, am I? It's a small problem somewhere. I just know it. Okay, we don't need that then. Okay, that became way easier than I thought it would be. But we, instead of doing the if we'll do this in the world. I think in the world it's fine. If they do have, we can check this. If the shared entities spec, and then it is yank that, and then we'll do I wanted to check the animations clips. Currency stats has health, expects model, death duration, spawn duration. It's in the model spec. I could probably merge this also a lot easier. Oopsie daisy. Model. And this one is an optional. Look, models, overlay. I should probably just make it a... No, because I need to know. I want to get the information about that specific clip, and then I want to assign the death time to that clip. Because then I could just run it, and instead of assuming how long will this death take or try to time it or calculate it, I could just get it from that. That should be possible because the clip itself contains the thing. But I do not have access. I guess I could take access to it in here. I do have access to model. And then there I could, if I made it. Because I could get it, can't I get it from start and end? But I would need to know how many... I should be able to do that, right? but we're able to get the animation clip from the animation. That should be possible from the model. The death animation, yeah. Let me take a look. So we do state clips. Model gets. I should be able to do that if I just get the model. And those things I should be, but I don't need to get the skeletons first. And that's the only thing I wonder if I want to put inside of the world. It feels kind of off to do it. Or I could also just not do it and just say play that animation or whatnot, and then in here it would automatically just do that and assign the first timer off. But I think this one should just be playing it. It shouldn't be assigning any timers. That's just in the world. I will at least call this one override, because that's what it does. If I could just, or I could also unload, I could save how much. That's smarter. That's way smarter. Then I don't even need to worry about this. Yes. Yeah, fuck this shit. I will just do that, and then when you load, I can assign it. I think that's fine. That is fine. So in the model. Skinned horse, but I do not materials, normals, no, it's at the bottom, and then here skins. Do I skins? Overlay masked. Rude. No. That's just fixing it. That's not the skinned. There. Could I? Yeah, in here I could. Oh, right. So I could actually. I already got the clip index for that. Could I perhaps in here then see that? But this is when I create the model. This is not when I can't assign it, and it would be weird to do even a return or a parameter to get in. But it would really. Oh no, every clip. But then I would still have to get the damn clip somehow. I want a nice way to just ask if what is this clip's animation time? That's pretty much all I care about. And I wonder, I could, even no matter how I think of storing this thing, it's models stores. Models I can access easily. And then I could, but then I need to know the index for the thing. And I can only access the index for the animation clip if I have. No. Do I have another convenient way of getting it Skin low GLTF. No, I do not. The only way I do have it is here, play, wait. Clip, state clips, get, state. Then I have the clip index, but only way I can get the models through the instance. Is that actually the only way I have to get? No, 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 I can't. Wait. Entity, get pointer. Could I? Because I don't wanna take in those damn things into the world. That feels too wrong. But that's the only way I can do it, because other than that, I do not know which skeleton they're using, and it's only through the skeleton I get the model, which contains then the information that I need. Have I decided in reverse order? Nah. You have an instance that you play, and that one accesses the model. Makes sense. Or just take them in. I mean, world pretty much has, well, doesn't have access to everything. And the Flush especially has access to nothing. I should probably store this skeleton instance in the world either way, maybe. Should I? Let's see. Because I do right now just store it in the render skeleton instances. But they do contain some information about, yeah, I'm wondering. There is no other way. Well, systems has it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna have to pass it in. No, I could also do the same way. Wait, hold on. But that's just wordplay attack dependency capacity. How do I handle it in here then? I do it here and then I go instance play. Yeah, okay, the world. This one takes from here to play that. But I need the other way around. I need to access the damn information of it. It's so annoying. So freaking annoying. Or, yeah, because how else am I supposed to get it? This is the only way I can get the time. This is the only way I can get the time. Fuck. Or if I store it on the entity, how long an animation would take. State motion, interacting, currency, stats. I do. That's just for the resources. All of them are just resources. What is this? Do I have access to the resources though? No, I do not, and it would also be a really bad way to go about. This is actually quite interesting that I do allow... Ooh, wait, maybe I should change. Instead of I could take in resources. Ah, that would be even worse. Because the model with the model I could access what I need. Don't know how to get my damn time. Fuck. If I'm thinking more or less just that the world updates, it gets to the point where it wants to remove something. I check that, okay, you want to remove this thing with the tested death animation. I'm not gonna remove it yet. I'm just gonna play it out. But for how long? I think that is not... It should be assigned here, not in the animation update, because the animation update should just know that it should play an animation, not do anything else. Yeah, we'll need to do retrieve that time from clip. All right, Damon, you sent the for floating blorp. Wait, did you revamp it completely? Hello? Is Damon different?
Hello?
Did you revamp it complete? Did you do a complete revamp on it?
Well, I've added extra details to the text. Just reload them up, or they should be able to just plug them in.
All right. Let's see. Open.
You don't gotta open them.
No, I need to open it from here so I can. Where the fuck is it?
You don't need to open them.
I want to open him.
You don't need to open them.
There is nothing in Blorp Lord.
I don't know. What are you trying to load?
I'm trying to find the old one, but I guess I don't have it. Okay, I will just download Blorp Lord version 2. Put it in the enemy. Oh, it's stored as a GLB file over there. That's why. Ah, I see. But then it should still be able to open it up from here, shouldn't it?
No, you're trying to open up a blend file.
How the fuck do I...
You
Okay.
import a GLB, you import it.
Yeah, but wanted to import it into this scene then.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, that's not what I want.
Wait, why are you importing it? You didn't ever did the first time.
Yeah, because don't worry about it, okay?
Well, I'm worried about it because you're obviously up to something if you're gonna fucking load it up.
Yeah, was it Blorp Lord like that? I don't know.
This is gonna be the last time I ever do any 3D rendering for you, man. You're just gonna tweak it into oblivion.
Bro, but 3D renders have emotions, alright?
Put all this work into it just for him to be like, oh, this will be better, and then chop him in half or something stupid.
Should I do it, guys? The chat, should I chop him in half?
Nah. We got ourselves an ultimate rage baiter here, man.
But
This
Damon,
guy.
you gotta watch out that you don't get replaced by TT Chef. Because what I just cooked for cheesecake as an object, bro, I can send it to you. It's like
let me see this. Well, damn, I gotta make sure he's not messing with my model.
No,
wait, I will send you the model.
Why do you have your damn balls again over here? Why did you add the balls, Damon?
Dude, it's the part of the GLB loading and whatnot or whatever. Just ignore it. Like, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to import your model.
You just put it in last time. I gave you the GLB and it was all good.
Okay. I'll trust you.
Don't you remember?
I trust you now, okay? I will trust you on this. No, I don't remember.
Yeah, I did. I had it all set up for you and everything. Everything.
Everything. Let's see. We're gonna go to...
It's probably the export settings that I have, so that like those, like the armatures turning into meshes. That's what's happening.
Hmm.
I don't even know what's going on there, to be honest. Yeah, it's the export and import settings.
Let's see. I'm
Most
gonna...
likely my export settings.
Hello, Rispaz. How are you? Are you good? You should be good. I'm just forcing people to be good here, alright?
All right.
Alright, so we're gonna...
So I stack the new animation on the very top, but you don't use ground slam yet,
Yeah.
which you should probably, so it's above ground slam.
Okay, I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Tell him to unstack. What do you mean unstack? I'm good. Ah, okay, you're good. I'm good. How are you? Okay, wait, but what did you call the death animation for the Blorp Lord?
Death.
With capital D or little?
Probably capital D.
Okay.
Because I'm not an ingrate.
Okay. Whatever that is, I trust you.
But it's got ground slam though. I don't know how you render it in because he's got.
I don't use it.
Oh, okay. So you're getting the animation by name then. Damn, you should be getting them by index. That string's kind of.
No. They are converted to index. It's just I provide them here, so you have, or actually enum. So you can use enum to use. I just need to provide it when I load it. That what it associes, so then it loads it into that enum. Yeah, and that enum is used as an index. Yeah, think about that.
Yeah, still sounds kind of trash, but go ahead. Let's see it.
And it won't compile if you do a typo. So, or it will compile, but it won't run. Wait.
T-shift you were trying to show him something.
He said he put the animation on the top of the
download
stack.
This.
I don't like that. Unstack it.
This file.
The death animation is called test1 final. I mean test _1 final. That's what he calls it. Okay, let's see. So now if we kill the boss, it should have a beautiful, glorious death animation. According to Damon. Let's spawn it in. I have crazy amount of damage, guys. It's insane. Actually, I don't even need to do this. Yeah, let's go. I did it. That's pretty good animation. Holy shit. Good job.
It just kind of goes like and then kind of shrinks.
Yeah. I just need to get the timing right with that, but it was pretty damn good.
Yeah, I didn't spend a lot of time on it, but that's what you get. That's what you got. That's what you're given.
So now
kind of just like with unique monsters like that, you kind of forced to make the animations yourself. His eye kind of like pops out a bit. Yeah, you probably won't ever really see it, but he like falls out.
Hmm.
And his legs twitch a bit.
Wait. Wait, what? Penis creature took a few loop of animations. Why not link the timing to some sort of calculated number? That's why you don't have menu do it for each creature, like something about how many frames of animation. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing, but it's I just don't have a great design to do it right now without passing in every skeletal animation and asking for its access and then trying to figure out which clip on that skeletal animation is the death clip, and then asking for the calculation on that inside of the place where I decide that if an entity should die. So I'm thinking I should probably do it somewhere else, somewhere smart. I could do it in the model, I guess, but I do not have access to the model either. The entity, I just have access to the model handle, but I cannot get the model without the resources from the... Yeah. Just make it an API call. I will make it a what is it called? The HTTP request. No, but I need to make it convenient. Maybe in load you could, or when you get assigned, when an entity get assigned which skeletal animation it should use, which model, it would also get the metadata about that model's information, like how long a clip plays for, and then I could use it. What is handling the 3D models and animations? It's my animation system that does it. This thing, not that. That's animation clip. Where did it go? Okay, I'm gonna close that and open systems animations. There, this thing updates it all. That data being stored anywhere like RAM or onto the GPU in some fashion. No, it's stored in the RAM. Or is it taking it from long memory like hard? No. It is in the RAM. It is in. Don't worry about it. And then I just in here I get that I'm playing the death animation, so it will get the clip, and then it will get that index for that we just provided, and it will start to play that animation for that index. Are you deleting the models after they die, or are you keeping them inside for? I'm keeping them in RAM, so the network manager gets in here that a entity has died, right? So it's getting, the world is getting it to its array, or array list, but yeah, it stores it in an array, the ID of which entity should die. And then when the world gets its update, it goes through all of the despawn requests, and then it sees that if it activates the death animation for that entity, and then if there is a death duration, it doesn't immediately kill it, you know, it skips it over. And then at the end, when there is no one, then it actually removes that thing and despawns it. But until then, it's still just going through here, and then it's decreasing or increasing the decreasing. Should be decreasing. Or it's increasing. Yeah, okay, my bad. No, if it's larger than what the okay. But yeah, it's just taking care of it over here. That animation larger than 0 minimum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because if it's 0, that means there is no death animation. Okay, now I don't really have a clear convention of how I do this, but I cannot get what is the clip duration, because if I want to get the clip duration, I need the skin mesh of this thing, because I store the clips in the model, and the skin mesh has access to which model it is, and the model has the clip indices. Or I can figure it out if I have those two things. And if I want those two things, I need this array, and I'm kind of not a big fan of passing it into... I'm already disliking it that I'm doing it like this, but for animation it makes sense. But to also pass it into world doesn't make sense, I feel like. So I should probably know when I create the entity that what is its metadata about its animation that it's running. Or it's maybe I should make an animation kind of field, which would contain all of those things. Nah. I don't like to store, because these are pointers of skeletal instances. I mean, it could be a handle to skeletal instances, but I still would have to get them somehow. So that wouldn't really help either. But I could do a, I think storing in the entity a metadata field about the animation that it has, or animations. Or, ooh, this could work. What if we did this? We could go into Vulkan model, and in the model with the handle, we could call this one metadata, because we do have the handle inside of every entity. They do have a handle to where they live. So then we could call it animation metadata handle, could live in there, and then we could have the for every clip or type, we would have automatically stored the length of it. That could work. You need to just look into how engines handle skeletons and animation and store them. I have tried to look into it a little bit, but they separate even further. I just have the model and the skeletal instance basically, but I understood that they do some more separation about it. I didn't really read much more than that. What is the animation data storing? Is the mesh asset a separate thing? Is the animation clip asset a separate thing? Yeah, like the mesh is separate, and some, yeah, I do have the mesh separate as well. Like I have would you ever switch from Zig? I mean, yeah, probably C maybe. Rust I also thought about.
P-Sig is like in Go right now. I would also like to
And Go is also pretty cool. But Zig is pretty much my main language. Of course, depends on what I would create. Hello, Pekka, by the way. Welcome to the stream. Where I'm fucking up still. I will do a note, store metadata. Duration. Then I wouldn't need it, but I think also in general I should just do a redesign of the whole skeletal instances, how I pass them around. See? Hello, ICAP L. What is that emoji? Welcome to the stream as well. Yeah, see. The T-chef right now in the call is writing in C. He's pretty CC.
Yes.
I was just learning it. Oh shit, for real? That's awesome. What do you think about C? Isn't it pretty clear what it does? I should probably fix that. Yeah, let's get the... What a good time. Right before sleep I see title with Vulkan on it. Welcome, Poka T. We'll do a quick yeah, we are doing Vulkan. Not touching too much about Vulkan anymore. We have pretty much got into a decent render, so it's rare that I actually going to mess around in Vulkan nowadays. But let's see. I'm gonna commit this with that animation for player and boss. Misspelled boss, that's fine. I like simplicity of C, but it's too dangerous. I have too much power with it. Unlimited power. Would like Rust, but too complicated. Rare, huh? Yeah, I don't do much in the Vulkan render anymore. Like, I'm pretty happy with the stills that I got. Like, I'm going for a very simplistic art style. I don't want to do any high definition rendering or physics based rendering or anything like that. I want it very low poly style. So basically just simple graphics render. That's pretty much what I got. And then, well, the UI, yeah. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple stuff. But I use shader objects and buffer device addresses so I can skip making those descriptor sets and descriptor pools and just more bindless state, right? Compiler errors in C are so vague. Compiler errors in C are the best ones. I like stress. You like stress? I don't know. It's compilers in C. I don't know, man. You have used C++. You should probably know that C++ is way worse than C.
Wait, did you say compiler errors in C are cooked?
Yeah. Vague.
Nah, bro.
Nah.
I think they're like.
I mean, they're not that bad, honestly. I think they're pretty
Like,
alright.
nah, they're not at all.
But like, I mean, C++ errors is like you get the whole Bible for a function, or for not making a function virtual or something like that. I don't know. I was like, fuck. But yeah, because it's worse, I need more. Because it's worse, I need more. What do you mean? Because it's worse, you need more. Let's do the death animation now for the enemies, right? That's the open recent. I should have been here, blorp lord, to tabloid. Let's do it for the tabloid. We need a death animation for it. Let's go Mixamo. Do I have it as an the export FBX? I do have it as an FBX. Good. We will upload it here. Upload character. Whoopsie daisy, now there's my CV, guys. Let's see, projects. Thank God there was nothing worse, showing up there. That would have been bad. We're gonna go to the scrap directory and we're gonna go into enemies here, and then we're gonna go to tabloid, and we're gonna go to the tabloid FBX. Select that. Don't let me get started on C++ errors. Manual debugging moment. Yeah. I don't know. Wait, what other programming? I mean, I guess Java has also quite alright. A bit long.
Bro, C is like the shortest one imaginable. Like, not gonna lie, when I dream about compiler errors, like, it's C. The only problem with C errors is that it doesn't give you the errors that often. Like, sometimes
Yeah, it's just skill issue, man. You just need to. Oh, that's pretty fire. I think that animation would be. Oh, that's the. Or we could have different death animations. Yes, this is it. This is the death animation. I'm going with this one. Or what do you guys think?
It's fire.
I think that from right is the. Oh no, that looks so sad.
No, fucking. Find one where he slides on his knees.
Oh,
it should be a little bit faster. Turn up the overdrive a bit. You turn up the overdrive a bit.
But like this one.
Yeah, this one's good. Yeah,
You turn the overdrive.
Alright, scroll down.
Scroll down. We're still trying just to see if we find the right animation before we change speed. Here.
Do death from back headshot, yeah. I can't.
Death from back shot?
Yeah, can I for your thing, huh? I don't know.
I don't know. It's pretty alright.
I don't know. It doesn't really fit your thing when.
Yeah, they don't have actual guns. They're just like.
I mean, this one's already good.
And actually,
oh, this one I mean, sword and shield death. Do sword and shield death. Holy shit! Yeah, this is the one I mean.
Where sword and shield death? Where is he?
First row, but you are on the screen
there.
now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can't.
Do we make it faster? Nah, this is lower. This is lower. That works.
No,
That
it's
works.
so funny.
And actually, C++ are my first programming languages, and after 2 years do a lot of things in C++, I finally realized that I might be chosen a wrong programming languages, and now somehow I attract to Vulkan. Yeah, that's fire, bro. That's fire.
Bro, you've done everything like right in life.
You have done everything right. If you have done it since C is just the best. Okay, I do use C, but I still think C is the best. All right.
Though I think writing in other languages is also an experience.
Yeah, dude, definitely.
I feel like writing a systems programming language is nice, but also like writing a little bit higher language is also fire.
Yeah. I should probably be a bit more careful with this, but I think both of them, they pretty much have the same model almost. They could use the same model. Yeah, they could. Let's see, I'm gonna load it in, tabloid animation, and then sword and shield that, boom. And then I just delete that, and we tabloid. I don't remember how this works. Ah, yeah, Mixamo, there. They're good. There. Perfect. We'll export that. I don't think there's anything else I need to... Well, there is one thing I need to do. GLTF. And we'll go to enemy tabloid. And I'm still in the scrap. I'm a smartass. Assets, objects, and then here tabloid. I'm glad to hear that I didn't make the wrong choice. Well, I need to go to sleep now. Like, it's like 4 a.m. See you guys.
Yeah.
Damn, take care. By the way, if you want, you can join the Discord. We talk a little bit.
Yo, cheesecake.
We talk about all kinds of stuff. I think I have it in the description there somewhere if you're interested. But yes, good night, sleep well, and we'll see each other soon, maybe, hopefully. All right, this should almost work. We still need to actually tell it that we want, for the tabloid, we want to use a that, and that should be it. Right, wait, maybe actually, let's also do this one at the same time. Oh, I already did it wrong, that's alright. I see, I'll join later on. Ah, no worries, no stress, man. Go sleep, enjoy your nighty night. I should also be going. What is the time anyways? Yeah, I should have gone an hour ago. It's okay. We'll go with this. We'll go with this. This makes sense, I think I can. Do I dare to do this? I'm gonna try this. Open. I'm gonna open also for the ranged one. I don't like this. I'm gonna try to avoid that. I have it's stored in here, which is bad. I'm gonna take it out from there real quick. Deploy that, boom. Now deploy that is over there, and I do think it's fine to do this. Let's see, we go open, go one step back into deployda, and then we open this thing, and then this thing, probably. I think I dare to do this. They have pretty much the same layout, so I think I can do this, and I can delete it, and then in do I like so, and then I make this one to be that, and I change this one to be this, and then I change this one to be that, and then I select deployda, and then we take this one and right. What the fuck?
You need to assign. No. There's still one more bar on the right there that says new. Don't click new.
Oh
You're
yeah,
just right above it.
right. Yeah, so they will
You
both.
gotta get the animation, but then you gotta get like the actual NLA track set up.
Yeah. All right, that should be it. Export it. GLB. We're gonna go to put
Damn,
it in.
he did it like 90%, man. Just that 10%.
Come on, man. Do I have to do? I didn't think about this thing. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter anymore for me because I do provide the name instead of just a raw index. So, or it gets converted to an index, but I just use the name to get it first. So I guess it's all right. Okay, let's see if I did it right. Single player. Got to do dev mode. Okay. So if I just do this, we can kill this one. Forgot about the damn time. That's why we should get the clip, so we shouldn't have to worry about this. But we're gonna do that animation. We're just gonna put it on all of them for now. It's okay. It's okay. Probably put it down to it. It's not that long. 3, maybe 2 would be enough. Hello, Kayal. How are you? It's been some time. And again, I forgot the damn. All right. Okay. So now, if I kill this thing, yay! It just played the attack animation before it died, so it overrode it. You're joking. It does it twice in a row. Okay, I got this time. Yeah, there. That one did that. Amazing. And now I will kill all of them. Why did it fly? Oh no, they continue. That's great.
Holy shit, I actually got fluid. No flipping way.
We got fluid. Okay, and now if I do this, everything just dies. It's funny that it's still like they still have the dead reckoning, so they're still like still getting there. Let's fix that. So in the world, we'll have to do one more thing. Right, nothing will spawn. Let's take the next stage, stop everything from spawning. And what we'll do in here, when we receive something to be despawned, if you can get the entity, then we can also say entity. I think it's fine to do it here. Update motion. Okay, we have to do an if entity update motion. Capture that. Update motion. And then we say update motion dot, yeah, all of that, just default values. So missing ID, it's just the ID itself, isn't it? None. Do I even have that field? Oh, I don't remember. Where do I have it? I don't know where I have it. Am I not in the world? I am in the world. Why can I not find the entity structure? What the fuck? Update motion. Should I not already... Wait, where are the references to this server? Ah, because it's server packet. That's why I have the ID. It's a bit dumb. It shouldn't be maybe reused like that. Because it's quite unnecessary when I already got the entity. But it's okay, it's okay. I could also just put it to none, but I don't know if it would make it probably worse. I should probably not do that. I thought it was smart when I did it because like, oh my god, I can just reuse the structure. It will be so nice. And I'm like, it's pretty dumb. Unless there's a really good reason for this, but I highly doubt that there's a good reason for it. Defer optional unwrap. But no. If I already do an if here, this should be fine. Expected a pointer deref optional blah blah blah. Oh, it's did I put an extra dot there? Wow, put the dot in the wrong place. I was like, what the fuck? I have to assign to constant. What the? It's actually preventing me from doing all of these things. Okay. I cannot even do none then, I guess. Yeah, okay. What if we then... That I probably shouldn't be... Okay. But I want to do this because I know I can fix it like this. I will just fix the structure later. Update motion, position. But can I do that then? No, I cannot assign to constant. Or can I? At splat 0. Well, I don't want to put the position at 0. That would be weird. I just want to stop the damn motion. Damn it. Update motion constant. No, it shouldn't be. Ah, wait. Expected type. Ah, yeah. Okay, now it's right. Okay, good. And then I will just say, because I think this might actually also just put it in the what's it called, center of the world if I do this. So I should probably not do missing field position structure. Okay, what if I just do this? What if I just do this? Then it shouldn't even be able to reference it. Okay, it wants the fucking ID. Okay, but what if I just... No, I cannot because I want everything to be zeroed out. Okay, we're doing it manually, fuck it. Let's not do just velocity. And position could be its own position. It doesn't need to change. Motion, but position. Can I do? Is this okay? Can you do that? Rotation. And then same for rotation. Oh my god. That's fucking crazy. Expected vector for found vector 3. No, I didn't do. And take... Oh. What if I just put it to none? How do I update the motion? Let me take a look. It should be in here. The fuck? Just called motion, I swear. Yeah. For every entity, update motion. Or I could just put it to null immediately. How about that? Yeah. And then I won't update it. Yeah, that's way easier. can I not do it? Or what if I do this? Entity update motion equals no. They're joking. Just wanna make it null. Shouldn't that be possible? Okay, it's just after. Okay, good. So now it should not update their locations if they spawn in and I kill him. Yeah, easy. Fucking. That was way harder than I made it to look. It's kind of hard to see even that, well, I guess it's because I make it the whole sky red. And now if I kill everything, boom. I guess it's kind of interesting that the attack animation still overrode everything. Let's go and take a look in that for that, because it does play an overlay for it, so it is kind of like true, but I wonder. Instance play overlay attack. Such a dumb, because it's gonna play that damn overlay. For that skeletal instance. But I could do here. I already got the entity, but it's a dumb case to check this in here. Entity override state is, for now I'm just gonna do this. That. Or is it just... Okay. It's not this. So now that thing won't see. So now if I kill something, they should just immediately play the death animation, no matter if they are in the middle of doing a... It's kind of hard still to see which one are actually like kind of dying and which ones are still alive, even though I have the health bar to help indicate it. Oh wait, those actually got... Look at that. They got stuck in the middle of the attack animation. Shit. I don't know if you can see much, but... Oh, why are you typing lizard? Listen. I arrived late. Oh no, I was also late live. So well, that's no worries, no worry. Welcome Azure Tech Dev anyways. But yeah, if they actually are in the attack, kind of interesting. I should probably do that if they are in the middle of that. If they are in death, overlay put to null.
Lizard, lizard, lizard,
Else
lizard, 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 lizard,
instance overlay put to null. Start fade. I guess we can't do that. Okay, let's see. Start spawning them back in. So even if they're in the middle of a attack now, yeah. Let's see if I can catch one in the middle of a... Yeah, now all of them get the death. Smooth. Awesome. Let's go. Shoo.
Yo, cheesecake, let him cook.
Where's the teleporter? There it is.
Cheesecake, no normal lighting.
And now if everything just dies.
No.
Yeah, everything does. Okay, that one is looping still, but it's still better. It's still pretty freaking good. And another lightning. Let's go.
Okay, Cheesecake, I will try spacing them out a little bit more to get better results. I think this spacing is decent, right?
Wait,
I mean, I can just make the particles.
T-Chef, if you could talk about something else.
Okay, okay.
It just
Spacing.
gets confusing because I start to listen to you as well. Oh man, I'm way too powerful right now. A bit hard to see actually what is dead and what is alive. I don't know what does. I should probably have a faster animation that they fall on the ground.
Well, yeah, it could have been faster. You're like, oh no, I'll slow it down. It looks better.
Yeah, but it
But
looked better, all right.
Okay, wait, Lucas, do you want to watch my stream for a sec? I swear it will maybe be absolute cinema.
You may be.
Like, it will be, like, very slow. Like, it will
Alright.
not take long, but the the simulation will be slow.
Alright, wait, I will put you on the big screen.
Like, it's eating my GPU away.
Alright.
Oh, wait, wait, I forgot
Is it
to
3D
uncomment the... Yeah. Well, I forgot to update, uncomment the update thing, so I didn't
Okay.
update.
Next release, let's go. How many shaders do you guys have? What the fuck?
Many.
Not enough. Shee, yo, how many are there?
65k.
65k. Shoo. Pretty fire.
Yeah. Let them cook.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, I got enough out that I make.
What did you do to fix the optimize it?
I did like a bunch of the things it gave me. It's still not perfect though, as you can see. Especially when I switch to 3D, you need much more particles.
I mean, is the problem the rendering or is it that simulation?
It's 100% the simulation.
Okay, because
the particles are one draw call.
yeah.
Like,
oh yeah, they're one draw call. Yeah.
yeah, I mean 65,000 particles is a lot, I guess.
It is.
Yeah.
I mean, at least in 3D, you know.
Alright, she's excited to show again.
Did he hot reload your code from his computer or something?
Ah, damn.
It's pretty satisfying to look at, to be honest.
Yeah, would be nice to get the frame rate up.
Yeah, well, you can. If you run it in render dock, you can get the frame rate in the top left corner.
Yeah, I already got it here.
Yeah, no, I know what you meant with the frame rate. I was just making a joke about
Oh,
it.
fuck. Okay, now I can't. Yeah. But next is UI, so I can actually like easily restart it through here and don't need to close it every time. Especially right now, like getting the right values is like takes like multiple iterations to recompile and stuff. Yeah. That's fire. I will do one with 100k now. Let's hope it doesn't explode.
It's gonna quick.
This is actually more than 100k.
You're just gonna leave the call all of a sudden. You use SDL for the window?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't explode. That's good already.
I mean, it's
That's
almost faster.
124k.
I think the simulation
Like, the
is
thing is-
faster. With more party.
Yeah. The thing is, the more they're spaced out, the better it is because the neighborhood search gets utilized more, right? So
Ah,
here
yeah.
should be one of the fastest points because they're all spaced out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got enough particles now so that they make an explosion in the middle. Yeah. Holy fire. I've been waiting for that. This bump in the middle happened in 2D as well.
Shit. That's pretty freaking cool. Damn.
Okay, I think now the game is pay to win. Like, just get a better GPU at this point.
Ah, well.
Nah.
No, I don't think so.
Not gonna lie, I will let you... Yeah, it's not.
Still pretty freaking good. Damn. Good job. Now
Thanks.
ship it.
Yeah. Wait, cheesecake. Yeah,
One
I will
shot the
just
enemy.
try...
How much damage do you actually have? I still should do something for indicating dead enemies over alive, because it's for me it finds the I guess it's the animation really, like they just have to fall down a bit faster than. Yeah, I think they have to be quite instant on the ground. That's why it makes sense in Risk of Rain, because they ragdoll. I think that they fall quickly down, you know. I'm still
I
shooting dead
actually have no
enemies.
idea how it is in Risk of Rain. Do they even fall down or just like kind of turn to dust?
Well, at least some of them ragdoll, right?
I have no idea. No idea.
But then there's the bell clocks or whatever they are called. That what are they called? I call them bells or clocks, but I don't know what they actually are. They sound like some freaking the flying shits, you know, with the big ass metal balls they throw at you. If nobody knows Risk of Rain, that is very bad out of context explanation. But yeah, wait, I should have gotten another. Yeah,
Damn, I'm realizing Risk of Rain doesn't even have shadows.
it doesn't. Well, why the fuck do I have shadows? I blame
Because you're better.
I blame Doom Turtle for that. I'm better than Risk of
Okay,
Rain.
yeah, nah. It was like the like golems kind of like have a death animation where they kind of fall over and then like get destroyed. I don't know how to
Yeah.
explain.
I mean, they all kind of have their own kind of thing, because some of them leave like actual things in the world while others don't. Yeah. The game looks nice. It does look pretty nice. Currently working on the side trying to get the quad trees for the planet, so we could have larger planets. I'm not quite sure yet how.
Octrees.
Octrees. Oh my god. Ah!
I will because you said it once. I will say it now
Yeah,
every
it's good.
time.
It's good. It's good. I need to get this right, you know. But it does also have, if I just turn that off, of course we do have multiplayer as well, but if I do normal, this one does planet size of 60 to 80. I got a gun. Gun is so freaking good to get, because it literally you get like 1 more damage, and it's so massive that you deal 2, you know. It's huge. Oh, missile. And it's quite alright, you know, trying to scout for chests like this. You don't deal that much damage. It would be a little bit more satisfying if you could, like, kill within 3 hits or so. And there's the portal. Like, the main thing I kind of do always when I start a run is that I always just try to find a portal as quickly as possible just to kill the boss. Because then the boss gives me the rare item. which is the lightning, and the lightning is right now it's not balanced at all. Like it's just for testing. It gives me, you know, this kind of like multiple hits all the time, so it's so freaking nice to just aim at something and just get it working, and then you just boom, 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 boom.
And what are you doing next?
And right now I'm just playing the game.
Yo, you got like animation for chest. Oh,
Yeah, it's I don't know, the system is quite alright actually when I think about it. It's like this is actually not animated in Blender. I'm just scaling it down inside of the client. The client
Yeah,
perceives that
makes sense.
the client perceives
Yeah.
that chest should die, and then it basically just puts on a timer for it, and it scales it down, and then it actually removes it. So the collider is because the client doesn't know shit about colliders or physics. So there is no collision with it, but there's still like the visual representation of it being gone.
Harold, welcome. You're
Is Harold
back.
here? Sure.
Yeah, bro. Oh, is he back? I hope he's back.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like the shit is, the thing is, my
Whoa,
Discord
whoa.
is
Hello?
updating.
Is that
Hello, yes.
Harold?
No, it's not.
Hey!
Harold.
It's not. Okay, it's AI. It's okay, but
It's AI
guys,
Harold.
Oh.
so I have no internet on, right? And my Discord is not even on. It's updating right now.
Love it.
Yeah, and I think I joined the VC while I didn't have Wi-Fi, right? So I just queued it, I guess. So yeah, but here I am. I don't know. This
Oh,
Oh, you know what I should do? Well, I don't know if it really makes any sense, but if I were to align the chest with kind of like a spline path towards the
Look, this,
teleporter,
bro.
so
I'm
if
not-
if you
Yes,
find a
cool
chest,
things.
you can just follow the chest and you will find the teleporter.
wait. What did you say, Harold? Oh.
looking at cool things.
The fuck?
Lucas, you should look there too.
Cool things.
Yeah, that's like a crazy amount of time. I think you got to do a live stream that is that long.
Lizard, lizard,
Lizard,
lizard,
lizard. Oh
lizard,
my God.
lizard, lizard.
No,
lizard,
cool things, bro.
Lizard, lizard,
Okay.
Cool
lizard,
thing.
lizard,
Okay,
lizard,
okay,
lizard,
chill, bro.
Ah, why
lizard,
is cheesecake here, bro?
Lizard, lizard,
I thought you wanted to
lizard,
make some
lizard,
cheesecake
lizard,
corn.
lizard, lizard,
Wait,
lizard,
Jesus
lizard,
Christ, where do you put
lizard,
Discord?
lizard, lizard,
I'm watching
lizard,
Tisha's
lizard,
stream.
lizard,
Cool things, he
lizard,
said.
lizard, lizard.
What is this?
Lizard.
Oh, you
lizard,
Harold.
Lizard.
That's fire, bro. Is that
What?
what I was supposed to look at?
The what?
Point of view, Harold. Right
No.
past run
No,
anywhere.
no, well,
47.
well, that's funny, yes, but more down.
Right past run anywhere. AI has gotten really good at text. What do you
No,
mean AI is
down.
real?
The image, bro. God
Oh,
damn,
shit.
this guy is. Yeah, you see this live? 146 hours.
Yeah, bro, I'm grinding.
Discord is cooked.
Yeah,
I'm grinding, bro.
yeah, this has been live for that many hours.
Oh my god. No,
Not stopping, I'm doing 100 million,
I will
100
I will
FPS.
count that as
yes.
player death and enemies death.
Yeah, you'll count that as a player def.
I will count that as being done, and I think we will end,
Right,
end
you
it
had play
here.
tests. Yeah, guys, I'm
Yeah.
back, so now you can actually watch the live stream without getting ear-raped all day.
We have 3 people watching on Twitch. Should we do a raid?
3 people.
Hell yeah!
What? We're ending? Bro, that 146-hour stream, guys.
It's been a while, bro.
Lizard.
Been a
Lizard.
pleasure.
Lizard.
No,
Lizard.
no. There. Who are we raiding? Who are we raiding?
Who?
Lizard.
We are,
Lizard.
we are raiding.
Who's stream C?
Lizard.
Thank you guys for watching. We will do a raid here now. And
Wait,
Listen.
who's it called? K Soldier, not K Soldier.
wait. It's this guy.
Bye bye.
Well, it's this guy. Bro. What?
What
Bro.
do you mean?